Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope we are doing well. Thank you so much for subscribing and returning. And if you're new, welcome to the family. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. And turn on your notification bell for when I post next. So in today's video, it's going to be all about how I achieve the sleek, low ponytail. Yes, our natural 4B, 4C hair can do it. Yep. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, stick around and let's jump into the tutorial. Okay, so let's start this tutorial. As you can see, I'm starting off on an old twist out. Yes, it's a bit dry, but we're going to make it work. So in this tutorial, you're going to need some brushes. Bristle brush, a Denman brush, an edge brush, some Eco Styler gel or any gel of your choice. Some got to be glued, not Gorilla Glue please, leave-in conditioner and a spray bottle with water. So let's get started. Here I'm going to be spritzing my hair with some water so it's easily managed and able to put some moisture back in my hair because we're going to be doing a protective style and we need it to be moisturized underneath here. Then I'm going to be adding some leave-in conditioner to help keep my hair moisturized also. So I'm just going to work that in properly into my hair and then proceed to styling. So when doing my sleek ponytail, I like to work in section. I split my hair into smaller sections so it helps. Because for our thick 4C, 4B natural hair, we cannot just pull it all back and get a sleek ponytail. No, because we want sleek, honey. So you have to split your hair into small section. And as you can see in the back, I'm going to go ahead and split that in another section. So smaller the section, it helps. Yeah, I know we don't want to put it in too much of small sections, but if we're going for sleek, honey, you have to work in small section. Okay? So let's begin. So from here, I'm just going to be using water and gel for the most part to sleek that baby down. So you just spritz your hair with some water and then get the gel. Put as much as possible, not too much because you don't want your hair to be wet. We're not going for a wet look. We're going for sleek ponytail. Then you just use your bristle brush. Oh yeah, I know I need to get me a bigger bristle brush, but it did the job. Then just work that through. Get to your Denman brush and just smooth that baby out. And I'm going to be going back and forth between my bristle brush and my Denman brush to make sure get that sleek look that we're going for. I'm also will be using these clips throughout the video to pin the hair down until I'm ready to put it into one big ponytail later. Yeah, if you have a good base and you're working in small section, you will definitely get a good sleek ponytail. Trust me, the result will be amazing. So don't forget, small sections, spritz your hair with water. As you can see, I'll be doing throughout the video, going back and forth with my Denman brush and bristle brush just to get that sleek look and get those kinks and curls out of our hair. Yes, we love our natural hair, but in order to get that sleek look, we need to get it smooth as possible. And now I'm just going to put these two sections in together to start off a base for our ponytail. Just using the palm of my hand to just smooth it down a bit. So onto the front bit. Here I'm going to be doing a side parting. I do love me a good side parting. Don't get me wrong, middle part can be nice, but I'm a fan of a side part. So I went ahead and parted into an L shape so I can get me that deep side parting. Just going to be clipping this hair out of the way and start on this section. Here at the front is where I'll be using the Got To Be glue spray to help sleek the hair down. And also we'll be using a bit more product to help sleek my hair back a bit because my hair at the front is a bit more frizzier. So yeah, we need a sleek look, honey. And also I'll be using my Balm Edge Control to help to slick those edges in places. Trust me, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to continue like I did at the back of my hair, spritzing my hair with water, adding that product, using my Denman brush, my bristle brush, back and forth until I get that desired look that I'm looking for. Taking the palm of my hand and help sleeking it back. Now, yes, here is that Balm Edge Control I'm talking about. Yes, she is bomb. If you haven't heard about it, I'll try and link it in the description box. I got mine off of Amazon, and trust me, this baby work a treat. If you haven't got this, you need one of this in your life. Where have you been hiding? This baby helped these edges to be sleek and looking flat. Trust me, I know we think, oh, our edges cannot be tamed. This edge control does the trick. As you can see, I'm still working in small section, taking my time. We don't want to rush this process because, we cannot put all of this back in one. So I'm going to be clipping this section off, spritz again I've been doing throughout my hair, and just work that product in and slick our hair back step by step, slowly but surely. We will get there and we'll get the result that we want. So like I said, add as much product as you can, because to the front we need it as sleek as possible. So we're going to add as much product, go back and forth with our Denman brush, and let's get this baby into action. Just going to go ahead and pin this hair out the way and split this hair in front again. Yes, I think I've split this hair at least about 6-7 times, because again, yes, we're working in small sections. Work that product in because we want this hair to be sleek, baby. So yes, we need to split these sections in small parts, not pushing them back in the trunk. No, we're not going to get it sleek if we're going to do that. Patience. I know it feels like it's a lot to do, but yeah, this hairstyle didn't take me long to do it. It's about 20 minutes, if so much, and I took my time splitting this section into small section, working the product in, because when it comes to the front, we need it to be laid as flat as possible. Yes, as you can see, look at that result. Look at it. We're not done yet, but look at it. As you can see, I did use some got to be glue spray. Not much, just spritz it in my hand and just smooth it onto the hair to get it lay flat. Hold it in place because yes, as I said, the front of my hair is a bit frizzy, so I need it to lay as flat as possible. So yeah, we're almost finished. Okay, now that our hairstyle is finished and our hair is slicked back, now to work on our edges. Add a bit more edge control if needed. And yeah, let's try and do some swoop-de-doo-de-doo. Yes, we need to lay those edges, baby. I am no expert, but I'm going to try. I don't like to do too much of a dramatic thing to my edges, but a little swoop-de-doo here, make the hairstyle look a bit, but do your preference. But here's where you just add the little touch to the hairstyle and make it pop. I'm just going to go ahead and just take my time, add a bit more edge control if needed, and yeah, get those edges being laid, baby. Also, try not to use too much of the got to be glue spray, because then your hair becomes sticky and yeah, not too much in place, and we don't want that. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and put my scarf on my hair to keep the hair in place while I go ahead and work at the end of my hair. As I'm going to be adding a ponytail at the end of it, I need it to be laid as flat as possible And yes, we're going to be keeping this as a protective styling, so we do need to put our hair ends away. So I'm just going to do some mini twists and then put it up into a bun. Okay, let's get into the ponytails. These ponytails I got off of Amazon from a brand called YMH Pride. It comes with 2 pieces, 24 inches long. So this one is the black curly ponytail hair extension with a wrap. It also comes with a comb inside of it, so you just put it into place. Take the Velcro, stick it on together, and take this bit and wrap it around into place as your preferred desire. And then the extra bit of it, you just use a bobby pin to pin it into place and you're good to go. These extensions are lovely. The quality is synthetic. So for the price you paid for it, you can't complain. They're really lovely. This I got for $14.99, 2 pieces. Yeah, really lovely. Onto the other ponytail. This one is a drawstring ponytail, which is synthetic also. It also comes with a clip inside of it, but this one, it goes right over the ponytail like a hat, you can see, which is good. So I'm just gonna just take this one out and get the other one on. I think I more preferred the other one. This one kind of tangle a bit, so yeah, it's cheap, so we must expect that from it. But this one is like of a more natural texture to our natural hair, so I prefer this one. It's like giving you a blowout kind of a look, so it does blend well with our natural hair, especially with the slick back hairstyle that we're going for. So here I'm just taking a bit out from underneath to wrap it around, as it didn't come with a wraparound piece like the other one. So yeah, I'm just going to twist this around the hair so you not be able to see my bun, and make sure it's secure. Take a bobby pin, pin down the extra bit, and we're good to go. Yes, I know it's not the same color as my hair. It's a tad bit lighter, so don't come for me, okay? Just get into this here. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so loving the length. 22 inches, you cannot go wrong. Yes, I'm actually feeling myself. Just get into this here. The end result is beautiful. So what do you guys think? Comment below and let me know. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all this jazz.